Hi folks, this is Dia from enjoystarfood and KP is also with me.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing very well. So today we are one of the Krispy Kreme Donuts location at GTA area. They just opened this location. It was so amazing experience when we got in. Look at those
Yeah, lot of
sorry donuts.
varieties of
Wow.
donuts.
Oh man, shortly you will see guys how they cook and make those donuts.
Guys, they are also serving coffee and other beverages as well, as you can see on the video.
Wow, yeah. So it was amazing experience, guys. Look at those. This is the dining area. Oh man, look at those ton of donuts, man. They are just going ups and down. I think so. They're a little bit baked at this point, and you will see shortly how the assembly line is. Oh man, there are a ton of donuts going up and down, and after that I think so phase they gonna this is the fryer. They just drop into the fryer and they fry. This is a pretty good assembly line. You will see. Oh man. Oh wow! And after this, you see that how they brown are, because at this phase they invert the donuts ups and down, and soon you will see, man, another amazing phase of those cooking donuts, man. Oh wow! Look at ton of those donuts you need. Oh man, and you see now the donuts have getting their glazing bath.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Look at that, yeah.
Oh
Do you
wow.
like it?
Too much like
Oh
it.
wow! You see, here you go, guys. And after this phase, they I think so went through some kind of air air wash or something like that, I think so. And the next phase is they are collecting for me.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at those assorted donuts, Dia.
Oh, looks so
Yep.
yummy.
Oh man, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate ice, chocolate and cheesecake, butter. Oh man, I can't live without those guys. Oh wow. My advice is you guys just take that experience, man. It's gonna be amazing, amazing. And you see those regular one. Oh man, this is my order, guys. Take a look. Dia,
Yeah.
which one you like it?
The strawberry one.
Oh wow, but I like those the regular fresh one in a brown color. Oh man, they are just voila. Oh, look at those soft. Oh dear.
So fresh, so soft.
Wow, man, look at those fluffy donuts, guys.